Hi folks, welcome to the workshop. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about Helping Hands. You can buy these online, a 5 or 6 arm helping hand for about 50 to 60 bucks if you find one cheap. I thought this was absolutely way too much. I managed to build this one for a little less than $7. I think actually all told somewhere closer to 6 bucks. It's got 5 arms, one of which I replaced with a magnifier that I already had. You can put all 6 arms on. You can put a computer fan on one of these to blow away the fumes, whatever you want. I wanted one where I could attach my tip cleaner to, so I could have that not moving around on me when I was soldering things. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll show you how I did it.